Tatlo lang. Okay na. Okay, so the game dito nga get that cup. Okay, ma'am? Tatala ka mo da? Okay, ma'am, and you? Pasanay ka mo doon. And ma'am? Nice. Okay. This time, maghama ko ang kamot ibutang sa ulo. Head, shoulder, knees, and toes. When I say get the cup, that's the time you get the cup. Okay? Kulong-kulong ba ah? Kung sino ma-team ang pinakadamo kwa, except for the one in your mga braso na kwa, or that's the kamo winner. Okay? Try yan already na. Ready na, try yan. Try na. Sige. Okay, sige. Shoulder! Knees! Toes!